Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. I'm called Rasheedah in case you are seeing me for the first time. So guys, again, I'm at the site or I'm at my house. Yes guys, I'm at my house waiting for my electricians or the guy, not electricians, okay, the guys who are going to do the electronic pipe work. But before I record a video of electronic pipe work, I have many of my subscribers, my viewers, who told me to give you the price of how much we spent on the glasses of our doors and windows. So guys, today I'm going to give you the accountability of how much we spent on the glasses. So without talking that much, let us get into the video. Enjoy. So guys, before we get into the video, katsoke twegombeko the master bedroom, the living room, then the dining room. Anyway guys, let me tell you a story. When we decided that we are going to move into our house, I told Mr. I see someone there in Nakwero Trading Center who sells glasses. Then Mr. was like, it's okay. You go inquire about the price. So the price of glasses depends on who is selling you those glasses, okay? Because when I went to that guy, I told him I want glasses, but we first go to the site, you do the measurements, then you give me the accountability or the quotation of how much we are going to spend on the glasses. So I came with the guy, he did the measurements, went back to his shop. He gave me the quotation of 3.2 million of those glasses. I told him you have to reduce the price. Then he reduced to 2.85. I told that guy I have 2.7 million. Then he was like, you know what, madam, we need to transport those glasses. You know, anything can happen when transporting the glasses, blah, 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 blah. Then when I talked to Mr., he was like, from the 3 million to 2.7, I think it's a fair price. So our last price for the glasses was 2.7 million. I have a relative who stays in Wachiso. So I called him. I was like, I want glasses in Wachiso. In Wachiso, it's where we are having our rentals. Guys, again, let me tell you this story. We have 5 rooms in Wachiso. 4 of the rooms, they have glasses. 1 of the room does not have glasses. So the guy who was installing in the glasses, or the guy who used to install in the glasses in the other 4 rooms, he used to charge me 560,000 per room. So I got a new seller, I mean the person who sells glasses. I took him to the site. Can you imagine, the guy gave me a quotation of 350,000 for that room. Yet the other guy used to charge me 560. This one gave me a quotation of 350 for the same measurements like the other 4 rooms. So I told that guy, please come to my site. You do the measurements of my house, and we see if we shall agree on the price. So the guy came, he did the measurements, he gave me a quotation of 3.1. Remember, the first one gave me a quotation of 3.2. This one gave me a quotation of 3.1. I told him, you're so expensive compared to the other person. He was like, how much was the other person charging you? I told him he was charging me 2.5. I lied to him. Then I told him the other one was charging me 2.5, yet the other one was charging me 2.7. So he was like, okay, madam, let me count again, then I'll get back to you. The guy counts his books of other which I don't know. He was like, it's okay, we shall work on 2.5 for the same millimeter, because these glasses are 4 millimeter black. So the other one was selling me, like the other one we had agreed on selling me the glasses at 2.7. Then this one sold me the glasses at 2.5 million. You understand? So the price of glasses depends on who is selling them, where are you buying the glasses from, you understand. Some may sell you the glasses at a higher price, but some of them may sell you the glasses at a lower price. So the money we spent was 2.5 million. That 2.5 includes the glasses, transportation, silicone, party, and the installation. So guys, that's it. Yeah, I've given you the price of how much we spent on our house. So let me just give you a round tour of how the house looks like. So this is the front. You already know my house, guys. Mujimanyi emirundi gye nakagipostinga mujimanyi. So this is the back. Even the glasses are in there. Zakaze bulungi nnyo. Okay, this is it. And this is the back of the house. Yeah, between, guys, we did some spraying, yeah, of killing this grass, although it didn't work. It rained. Onako twafuire enkuba n'etonnya, so omuddo tegwakala. Nina okuddamu ne nfuuyira. Then this is the back. You see, guys? Yeah, here we are. Mulaba, omuddo tegwakala. So then this side, okay. Okay. Then here we come back to the front of the house. So I'm going to say goodbye and see you in my next video. I love you.